How to make money, start a blogging, how to make money on online platform and offline platform, work from home, how to start a blogging, how to make money, start a blogging, earn money, how to start a blogging and make money online platform and offline platform. Um, how to start a blogs and make money, the unlimited beginners guide to start the beginners and make money online, the six step. This is the easy step to step guide to learn how to start a blogging and make money if you for 10 years in beginners. You will how to start a blogging six step that for 10 to 15 minutes the follow this step and the blogging. How to start a blogging, the make money six step easy to beginners and guidelines. Unlimited beginners, pick your blog name, niche, create your blog online website, web hosting, design and blog, and free WordPress theme, the right and the first blog post, and promote your blogs and great traffic, then the make money from your blog. The sixth system. Number one, the pick your blog name niche. Number two, great blog online web hosting and drawing. Number three, design your blogs with the free WordPress theme. Number four, write and the first blog post. Number five, promote your blog, great reach and traffic. Number six, make money. The discussion, please note of the sum, the link and below the affiliate link and entities link and commission, what is the hosting and the other step-to-step guide, and what is the blog, follow the six step, the number, pick your niche. What is the blog? A blog is a equal update website and where at the connect the frequency published article, written and information, the conversion style obtained, which is the goal, attaching record and the generate and the online the frequency and obtain, which is the goal, achieve the golden your own, the remind blog, and they're the easy to follow, the guide like walk your then sold start blog, the yes starting blog, one of the easy to most access way to launch you own business and earn income online from oil to that world. You don't need it to professional right or web development, and you don't need the create and year the experience in the field. Orders the regression orders the blog because successfully you start the branding details. The can start blogging where the technical experience you have the technical experience within a website to start the blog as it because and much. Follow the six step, learn how to start in blog and make money as the blog students. If you ready to take and help, learn start blog, you grow and some the real online income that. And the number one, peak blog name and niche. First time you pick name and niche and why use blogs, his name is what reading the fast and sold ideas and their response and great and generate topics and writing about your blogs niche generate traffics and need in causes and content experience in this phrases. The number two, great your blog online website and hosting, web hosting. The second step, the blog and web hosting, and is the hosting and use and contest. What is the hosting? To make website access to others people, the internet need is the host and the keep and process hosting. The combination is blogging platform, web hosting, personal use, and then most blogs. And there's the great standard, the button, the best web hosting. Choose your web hosting plan. You first select the hosting plan and the blog's name and professionally in case record. Choose your plan because your domain privacy, which is project personal information. And this others website, lot of website domain hosting sales companies just search on Google. Pick your blog domain's name and search on your Google. Click your domain name. Do you If your domain name the choose able, you can others and choose made and choose your domain the name last, and this help you choose your free domain name. After create your host and account, etc. Lot of hosting companies select and write hosting plan, which is the web hosting plan and pricing, and best start a blog with the personal requirement, the minimum 36-month price if you don't take a loss, possible price for a new hosting plan. One to and the success, your blog hosting at the lowest and young domain phrase your next 30 years, and this is select your right blog hosting plan package and extension above. Requirement this a domain price and extension this, and this location is capping is speaking, and those is free and handle cheap and plug-in tools and can be used like search engine optimization, additional secure and backlinks, etc. etc. As I mentioned, client throws having domain practice, the choose your plus point, enter your billing information. You'll be for the second best available blog hosting platform. Warn the condition and how vary domain name and setup blog hosting. Please note when your description the affiliate link, etc., etc. Why can be free course? How to test possible blogging in 7 days? Three, design your blog with free WordPress theme. Now the gotten those claim is the blog's time and fun. Design our WordPress. Soin is the Midas location. If you own to start a blogging, make money as the bloggers. WordPress is the best blogging platform. Let WordPress is platform work business in technology. You understand that is the platform knowledge and content in management. It is fast, and there's the dangervacancy.com, or you what is wordpress.com if you find the don'ts and .com. How to install WordPress and configure blog settings. Blog design, so your important blog settings. Create a main process if your blogs. About the condition hire, this is the platform and blogging platform. From moment you start a blogs, you will want to show some basic information. What is yourself? Who you are? Why people should instant that you? Why can great and touch, and when you if you condition work on why. There are those plugin platforms and that cruises, and there you read and those and about is this how to where are about page your blogs, find the vertical history blogs, write how to write and content page your blogs. Well, mind grows the make depth and the contract. The New started blogging with WordPress and WordPress platform is technical bros. How to change the font size and blog, how to change font and blog, and why you want to my causes and this platform. Number four, write and your first blog post. How to keep third business option and opportunity from your blog needs to even make money bloggings. How to come up clever blog post ideas. How we read to write and the first blog post. One, you discuss the first blog post you want to write. You want to write your negative and there the add a new post select from your WordPress dashboard. Now also this item consider and this all praise and scale. How your help the make money online is the platform uses the blog starting the lot of guidelines, write a blog post headline and that the economical trial, blog title, generate free tools and AI CSU tools. Now if to May application. A lot of information, free blog, photo resource, stock image, the blog graphics and free and blog image stock photos others the grand public free bonus creating blog content strategy. Promote your blog and get receive traffic. Social media, promote your blog. Look for social media given that the best return. Guest blogging, other relevance blogs and site. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel. How to start a blogging, how to make money online and platform, unlimited beginners guidelines and the platform wise trick. How to start a blogging, make money online, 660 easy to beginner guides. Pick a niche, great in your niche website hosting and etc. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend.